Freelance writer, find one today. Finding a freelance writer can be a daunting task, especially for the person who requires the skills of a capable writer, but does not know where to begin to look for one. Not everyone who says they are a freelance writer is one either. Sure, they may work freelance, but they are not skilled as a writer. Let's explore some ways you can find a freelance writer who meets your exact specifications. Internet search. Using internet search engine Google, you can enter a few keywords and see what shows up in your search results. Within your search parameters, enter freelance writer in quotes. Between the ads that show up marketing freelance writers, above and to the right of your search results, and the first 10 or so search results, you should locate some decent choices. Click on the ads in the search results to be redirected to each freelance writer's website. From there, you should be able to determine if this person is right for you. Article directories. Several of the major article directories on the internet feature articles submitted by freelancers. Freelance writers will typically showcase some of their finest works in hopes that you will read several of their articles and select them for an upcoming project. Paid sites. Some freelance writers have registered with paid referral sites such as Guru. As an employer, you can register on Guru too and place the specifications of your project online and receive bids for your work. Make certain that all the terms of your project are agreed upon before rewarding the project to a writer. Unpaid sites. The most popular site for finding freelance writers is Craigslist, or Craigslist as it is commonly spelled. Not just freelance writers, but graphic artists, web designers, you name it. Craigslist is a high-impact site, typically ranking in the top 100 of all internet destinations. Of course, any freelance writer worth their salt will list their own website featuring samples of some of their best work. Spend a little time getting a feel for their style and ask for a quote before rewarding your project. If you need references, just ask. Finding a good freelance writer can take some time and effort on your part, but by carefully choosing a freelancer, you can find someone eager to give to you their best work. It may first take completing several projects together before you both are able to determine that your business relationship is a fit. Regardless, once you have a writer who works magic on your part, stick with him or her and you won't be disappointed.
Content produced and distributed by All Super Info. All rights reserved.